Greetings, everybody, and welcome back to Computer Tic-Tac-Toe. I'm your host, and today, I'm just going to have some fun today. As you guys know, that I like just playing tic-tac-toe for fun, but I also like to educate people as well as the perfect strategies of tic-tac-toe. I actually have a lot of fun playing tic-tac-toe, so I wrote a bit of an article on my website, computertictactoe.com, and it's actually examining the perfect game. Now, I like to wander through the archives of the Computer Tic-Tac-Toe library, and I soon discovered a slew of games that I've recorded. Just for one, some basics, and some others that are more complex. Just like the game itself, it makes you want to dive into the many different types of games that you can see unfold before you. It's somewhat of a fascination of mine, the many different outcomes, the many moves that can either make or break you in the game. If you're playing the best out of three type games, it's honestly to be on the edge of your seat type situation. I always find that to be quite interesting. It's a game of war between two foes in which a draw is nothing more than a fate worse than losing in any way. I find with every passing day in my life at my job, which somewhat keeps me busy, that I find my mind wandering back to the 9-box grid. A lot of people, get like that with Call of Duty and all sorts of games. But maybe I'm obsessed with it. I did start this website and this YouTube channel. I wrote a program in C and I make videos on the game. But I just can't be the only one who likes it as much as I do. Am I the last true diehard fan of the game? Or am I just going insane? I honestly don't know. So, I'm going to show you guys. Well, not show you guys. I'm going to tell you guys that beginners will often either play the center square or the four corners because it's always the most easiest means of doing so. But I always prefer going to the much more difficult places on the grid to obtain a victory. I don't know. I like just having fun with it. Now, don't get me wrong. I'll play the corners, but the even squares are where you could have some of the most fun in the game. So like 2, 4, 6, 8. You have a total obsolete victory going on if you get a pattern of 2 and 4 or 6 and 8, because then you could honestly take either the first square or the ninth square and go from there, right? That's how it usually is. But you get your two path victory going. So if you like to just close your eyes and think about the 9 square grid of tic-tac-toe, and you should be able to see what I'm talking about. So picture the 9 square grid, and picture X is taken square 2, square 4, square 6, and square 8. All right. Now you'll see just how amazingly easy it is to declare victory. A lot of people will take the corners, trying to get that easy diagonal, but, never really works out that way. But you will come to see that Computer Tic-Tac-Toe is one of the finest tic-tac-toe games on the planet. I am actually working on a large video, a large project of sorts, sort of my dive into what got me going into Computer Tic-Tac-Toe. What motivated me to make the game, what motivated me to do what I do. And I honestly hope you really like it, because, I can't be the only one who likes Computer Tic-Tac-Toe. I've got 3 subscribers, for gosh sakes, and gosh darn it, I'm gonna make it happen. With that being said, have a wonderful day and Godspeed.